Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Retool for building internal tools step by step clearly. Visit the Retool website at www.retool.com. Click on the Get Started button to begin the registration process. Fill in your email address and create a password. Check your email for a verification link from Retool. Click on the verification link to confirm your email address. Once verified, log in to your new Retool account. Choose your preferred method for setting up your workspace. For most users, selecting the free version is a great start. Follow the prompts to set up your workspace. Next, you'll be taken to the Retool dashboard. From the dashboard, click on Create New Application. Select blank or choose a template that fits your needs. On the left side, explore the available components to add to your app. Drag and drop components such as tables, buttons, and forms onto the canvas. To connect your app to a database, click on the Resources tab. Select Create New Resource and choose your database type. Fill in the required connection details, like host and port. Save your resource settings and then test the connection. Once connected, go back to your app. Choose data sources to populate your components. Set up queries using the database resource you just created. Make sure to preview your queries for accuracy. After configuring the components, adjust their properties in the right-hand panel. Use the inspector to customize styles, settings, and actions. When you're satisfied with your app, click the Save button. To publish your internal tool, click the Deploy button. Share the generated URL with your team for access. Regularly update your app as needed by revisiting the dashboard. Congratulations, you have successfully installed Retool and built your first internal tool. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.